Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about next topology, that is tree topology. Tree topology is not so commonly used in networks, but it is best in case of the applications where flow of data is in hierarchy of the networks. So let's know more about it.
A tree topology is a combination or an extension of a star topology and a bus topology. As the name suggests, the shape of the tree topology is like an inverted tree with central root branching, where the nodes are arranged like the branches of a tree. The data or signals that are transmitted by the root nodes are received directly by all the nodes or the devices at the same time. The process of transmission in tree topology is just like the bus topology. In this, the data or the signal, called packets, when reaches to the end, it gets absorbed by the terminators. Advantages of tree topology are: in tree topology, network is divided into small segments or parts, so it can be easily managed and maintained. It uses dedicated point-to-point wiring to connect individual segments, so it's very easy to install. Several hardware and software providers support it, as it proves to be best in networks where bus or star topologies cannot be implemented individually. It's easy to expand the network having tree topology, as any node can accommodate more nodes in its hierarchy. And last, it's not affected by failure of one segment. That means if any part or segment is damaged or fail, the transmission doesn't stop, because the other segments of the network continues to work. Now let's see its disadvantages. If the transmission line or the main cable, that is the root, fails, then the entire network fails and stops working. Large quantity of cable is required, as each and every node is connected to its root node. To connect and configure nodes in tree topology is more difficult as compared to other topologies. Due to heavy traffic of data and signals, transmission is slow. And finally, a lot of maintenance is required, as more and more nodes and segments get added.
Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next videos. But don't forget to like, share and subscribe.